Hey friends, let's make chocolate protein shake. We need some almonds and cashews, 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder, and also we need 1 banana, and also add 1 tablespoon of honey, and also we need 1 cup of milk. So friends, our chocolate protein shake is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling and good night. Hey friends, let's make a very good drink with almonds. Take 10 almonds and soak them in the water overnight. Then remove their skin. And now let's put them in a blender. And we need 1 spoon of sugar, pinch of ground cardamom, and also pinch of black pepper, and 1 cup of milk. So friends, key is that you have to blend very good. I just add some ice cubes in my jar. If you don't want ice, it's okay, it's just totally optional. Our yummy almond drink is ready friends. It's a great way to start your morning. Have a great morning. Love you all and thank you very much for watching. Hello friends, let's make banana, peanuts and chocolate smoothie. So we need 1 banana and 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts or peanut butter and 1 tablespoon of chocolate powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar and half cup of crushed ice. Put some salt to taste and 1 cup of milk. So friends, our banana, peanuts and chocolate smoothie is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day. Hello friends, let's make a dry fruits milkshake. So friends, soak all the dry fruits for 3 hours. We need 5 seedless dates, around 7 to 8 cashew nuts, around 5 almonds, around 3 apricots, and also add fresh coconut or coconut flakes. Now let's add half cup of crushed ice, 1 tablespoon of sugar or honey, add some salt to taste, and 1 cup of milk. So friends, our dry fruit smoothie is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good evening. Good night. Hello friends, let's make pistachios, walnut and banana smoothie. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of milk. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling.